Lights, camera, copiers. When you're working in the fast-paced world of TV and film production, you need reliable equipment that keeps up with your schedule. That's where Supertechs comes in. Our copier rental business specializes in rentals for the TV and film industry, with same-day delivery, free networking, hand-delivered toner, and a response time of 1 hour or less. We're the perfect partner for your production. We provide short and long-term rentals for all departments, including production, art, writers, AD trailers, and costumes. We even provide copiers for events too. No matter what your specific needs may be, we have a copier that's perfect for you. Did I mention we recycle too? Don't let a broken copier slow down your production. Trust us for fast, reliable, high-quality copier rentals. Copy smarter, not harder, with Supertechs. Call or email now.